Over the time, a lot of people they demand that Ogechi should apologize to, according to them, no major. You got to go. And since we have seen how important this apology to those people, we have decided by ourselves. We have decided by ourselves to offer that apology to those who need it, because we know that their life depends on it. So based on that, we have decided to constitute an apology committee. That apology committee will go into different places, locations, ebe nde Ogechi mejolo no. They will go there to go and apologize on behalf of Ogechi. So obolo na enu afago. And in discharging this job and duties, I want you to understand or know that the life of so many people depend on this apology. Like on how you do this job, you might have ended up saving a whole lot of people. I mean, think of the kind of joy and happiness this apology will bring into the life of somebody like Adam Water, somebody like JPac, and the likes of them. When you think about the kind of joy, happiness, you got to go, how this apology is going to save a lot of people and bring joy back into their life. If you remember that, you must have to discharge this duty diligently and well too. So we are going to assign people who will go to Enugu State, Nigeria. You got to go. Now, we thought about who will be the person that will go to Enugu State, Nigeria. I chekata. Ayamaro onye yeje Enugu State, Nigeria. I decided na somebody doka Akoma TV do so much interested and eager about this apology to Enugu. We have decided to assign him and Wikuku to go and handle that Enugu State apology. If they find it difficult and they say that no, any of those people who saw Ogechi will commit that thing, you're not really present there, let them inform us so that we can do what? We can see what we are going to do about it. Now, I decided personally no more ways to go ye job. Because ni ilu but two things are involved. You gotta go. It's either or so because of that, I said no more ways to go ye job. Koya okay for Pombadike, more ways to go. Yeje Opombadike, Koya will eba or dan and krikoko, aye maybe into a swagger. You gotta go on if it do important work I would alone or go no result. Kelunde ye jonisha. You gotta go. Kelunde ye Onisha. So Chiamaka, you will go to Onisha for us. You gotta go. Eya gala you Onisha. Ilu Onisha. Ije fix ye. Ife don Onisha. Abia in diaspora. We are mandating chief pilots. We are telling this empire and the who again. Fortunate. Dr. Fortunate Ebuchere. You gotta go, 3 of you should handle anything concerning abroad. If on Basalun, the UK, America, and the Bendozonine, 3 of you should handle that. And the person who is going to supervise, supervise this exercise will become Palace of Justice. Just the same way, as you sit here down, just the same way, Ojuwe decided with the chief pilot, conspiracy. He is going to be the one who is going to supervise this exercise. Everybody report back to Ken, Palace of Justice. You want to go? So, in due time, we are going to raise more committee because as days pass by, we are going to know those people. Register their grievances. We are going to bring out all those people, and as we take notice of those people. We are going to send people that will go accordingly. So for now, please, please and please and please and please, I'm begging you, make sure that they're not there. In fact, there will one important assignment. Kelu that important assignment. Ndedoka Father Nwebe Joy and those people, we are assigning Akozion. Akozion, you are going there, and Akozion we also go to Ngobala. Since the Akozion nano na Ngobala, I think Akozion we go to Ngobala, and Akozion we go to Akozion we go to Father Nwebe and the likes of them. Akozion wunya yejekunda. So we are going to raise more committee. Ko gaba kande mmadu dondo, because ife ma choho we no kata si na no kata mmadu la hola oye kukwata e yotara hapulu no mukpo. I'm going to handle ukpo e yotago mmeme nwu ife do no ukpo. After all, na Nnewi no ukpo and the one name awuruko na edi e yotago. So let us all do this work diligently and come back and give report to the mother. Remember, as you are discharging this duty, know that people's life depends on this apology. There are people who need to live. There are people who need to survive. There are people who need to be healed through successfully discharging this duty. What I go, all na ichikozie, ayapoputazie the okarisia, ijowa and ebudon. Unu nwekwara assignment yo. Mana assignment nke unu bụrụ ezigbote ibu. Ịghọtana, all na the committee decide there, I will give Ijowa and Ebudon their own assignment. Assignment nke unu a critical, very critical. Ịghọtago, assignment nke unu, Ijowa amakwom na yeme yo. Amakwom na yeme Ijowa, because it has to do with Matthias na ndị otu. And if we don't go with the perfect man, go to Ebudon with the perfect people, nwere ike ifesi with these people. Ayi tụgwara ya atụgwa. Ayi si from ndị ekweghị wee ghọta. That is ebe akụọma balo. Go see from ndị kwere ekwe wee ghọta ebe the likes of us balo. Ka ijezie nunu mee ife a ka obie. Ka ijezie mee ife a ka udodo. Apology. Apology is here. Adamami water, you are going to be happy now. Kedu ndị zugo you me na ngo mislead Ogechi, or zugo ngo mislead Ogechi. You are going to receive that apology. You will receive one apology. An apology. In our apology, you receive one way an apology there. Share this video. I have done my own. I have started the process. Let us see how it's going to go. I've started the exercise. Let us see how it's going to go.
Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe on this channel, share this video, like and comment. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you and God bless you.